So yan guys, tapos na yung ating panel board. Landing and termination 100%. Ready for meager test. So yung board na taas. Ayan. Tutok lang guys. So yan guys, conducting tayo na ano, meager test. Nangyayari na. Blind pin neutral. Ilang volt tayo natin, sir? 1,000 volts? Okay. Okay guys. Tutok lang guys. So yan guys, final meager test. Test natin si engineer ng Ayala Mall Circuit witness.
Number 1. Ano nangyari yung Toy?
1,250. Yan guys. Okay na. Thanks for watching guys. Na. Okay. Si engineer.
$1,000 settings natin, sir.
So yan guys, okay na yung ating ano, panel board. Pasa na sa meager test. Meager test done, completed 100%, accepted ng Ayala Mall Circuit. Pinirma na ni engineer yung test niya, yung mga grades niya. Okay na, approve na yan guys. Thanks for watching guys.